Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
How to clean your baby's tongue. Your newborn may not have teeth yet, but his dental hygiene is still important. Along with optimal nutrition, it's very important to maintain healthy dental hygiene in newborns. Your baby might cry while you clean his tongue, making your job harder. But it is important to clean his tongue and keep his mouth healthy and fresh. Why do you need to clean your baby's tongue? Regular and proper cleaning of the tongue helps prevent bad breath and bacterial accumulations and lowers the risk of oral infections and gum diseases. You should clean your baby's mouth even before the eruption of teeth, as cleaning the gums in the initial stages helps in the process of teething and ensures proper dental hygiene. How to clean an infant's tongue. The first thing you will need to do is clean your hands. Ensure that your hands are clean before you start the procedure. You can clean your baby's tongue using a gauze or finger cloth wrapped around your fingers. You can even use tongue cleaners available in the medical stores. If you take gauze, moisten it with warm water and wrap it around your finger. Then rest your baby in one arm using the hand to clean the mouth. Gently open your baby's mouth and put your finger inside to clean the tongue. Once you put the finger inside, gently scrape the tongue in a circular motion. After cleaning the tongue, finish the procedure by massaging the baby's teeth, if he has teeth, and gums gently. You can also use gum cleaners to remove the buildups. However, if the cleaners fail to remove the buildups, then consult the doctor for further advice. This cleaning procedure needs to be performed at least once a day, preferably after feeding. Doctors recommend using soft brushes specially designed to clean a baby's tongue and cavities. Things to keep in mind. 1. As soon as your baby's first tooth erupts, you must take him for regular dental visits. These are recommended as soon as the baby's first tooth becomes visible. 2. Get a complete dental examination of your baby and fluoride status review as per doctor's advice. 3. If you have any concerns related to your child's dental health, speak to your dentist about it. If you have any concerns related to nursing or bottle feeding for your baby, discuss them with your doctor. 4. Follow the dentist's instructions on how to keep the infant's mouth clean. Additional tips to clean your baby's tongue. 1. Using water is the best way to clean the baby's tongue. Use a piece of soft gauze or cotton cloth to dip into warm water and clean the tongue. 2. If you see white particles glued to the baby's tongue, then it can be cleaned using a tiny drop of toothpaste, but be sure to rinse it off thoroughly. 3. Clean the gums and the inside of his cheeks thoroughly while cleaning the tongue. 4. Engage your little one in any interesting activity while cleaning his tongue. 5. Last but not least, take your baby for regular dental visits. It's never too early to start paying attention to your baby's oral hygiene. Cleaning your baby's tongue and teeth will go a long way in ensuring proper oral hygiene. Clean your baby's mouth regularly and keep him happy.